STiNO traditionally have been involved in bespoke project work. We have a lot of projects in Europe and the worldwide. We've got a lot of shows, but we're not generally known product on the ground level in the UK. What we've now brought with the partnership with Ascentae is an awareness that there is a product that's suitable for all at a very good price point, and the most important thing with any digital signage isn't the end product, it's got to be very easy to use. We claim a 10 to 15 minute learning curve on it, and I usually challenge people and say, yes, I can teach you within 15 minutes. A lot of companies, our competitors, go for too simple or too complex. I think it should be simple, not too simple, and not too complex, but complex enough. We can compete against every manufacturer, whether it's from the low end to the high end. We can compete against them, and we can offer a unique product, that one solution, but it does a lot of applications, as we can show. One of our unique aspects is that one software can either be cloud-based, it can be LAN-based, Windows-based, or VMware-based, but what we like to show off is running a whole building on a Raspberry Pi. Our solution runs on everything. So it runs on cloud, it runs on VMware, it runs on a Windows box, it runs on a Raspberry Pi. It's the same solution, you do not lose anything from it. Instead of having 5 different solutions offering you multi-touch, somebody's offering you proximity, somebody's offering you facial recognition. No, this is all an integrated product, so you can start off with one use, change it in the future. So for the AV integrator, they only need one product, they don't need 10. If they need a wayfinding solution, same solution. If they need a touch solution, same solution. Or the solution stays the same, the use changes.